Reflection is an effective method you can use to demonstrate you're actively listening and understanding what a parent is saying. Repeating the parent's words and responding to their feelings can help them to explore their concerns and problems. Let's take a look at this in action.
I'm afraid there's a lot of plaque on both children's teeth. Joss's gums look quite sore. Now, most of this can be prevented by brushing twice a day.
It's just really hard. I mean, I'm on my own, and I've got this new job, and so I have to be on the train by 7:45. I mean, and then my mum comes in and she gets them ready when I've gone.
No, I see. So your mum looks after the children on the morning.
Yeah.
Does she help them brush their teeth?
Well, I mean, she does try, but they can both be a massive handful, you know.
Yeah, I understand children can be a right handful. Could your mum get them into the habit of brushing every morning before they go to school?
Well, I don't want to start getting on at my mum. I mean, she already does so much already. Especially with taking Josh to school and then, you know, taking Kaylee to the nursery down the road.
Okay, well, let's have a look at what you do in the morning. I realise you feel that you're already asking your mum to do a lot.
Yeah.
So what do you do when you get up first thing in the morning?
Well, one of the kids normally comes and wakes me up. And then they get into bed and then they watch the TV, and well, that's normally when I go and try and get ready.
Right, so while the kids are watching telly, that's your chance to go into the bathroom and get a wash and brush your teeth?
Yeah, I mean, it's easier to do it when they're occupied.
Yeah, I remember that well, yeah. Actually, some parents have said that they brush their children's teeth while they're watching the TV.
Oh, wow. I think that's a good idea. And it would help my mum out so that she wouldn't have so much to do.
Well, why don't we give it a go? Shall we come up with an action plan?
What's an action plan?
An action plan helps you set out the things you need to do to achieve a goal. Your goal being to get the children to brush their teeth in the morning. Have a think about your schedule and see how we could fit that in.
Well, I do like the idea of me doing their teeth while they're watching the TV. Oh, and before I get ready.
Okay, that's great. Why not give it a go, and we'll meet up in a couple of weeks to see how you're getting on.
Okay, fingers crossed it works.
I'm sure it will.
The dentist in this scenario listened to the mum's concerns and acknowledged her feelings using reflection as a method. This really helped the mum identify exactly what the problems were, and together they were able to create an action plan.